Welcome to Just Cook Something. In this video, we're making homemade strawberry jam. Let's get started. Start with 350 to 400 grams of fresh strawberries. Make sure they're washed and then cut them into halves and quarters. Then you want to get your saucepan and set your stovetop to medium-low heat. And then pour in your strawberries and add around 200 grams of sugar. Now I'm using just organic sugar cane that I got at Costco. Now if you don't have that and you don't want to be too fancy, you can just use regular white sugar. That's totally fine as well. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and just mix it in there for around 5 to 10 minutes. And then you want to turn the stove to medium heat and stir it gently until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then next you just want to get your potato masher and start smashing this aggressively with all your might. No, I'm just kidding. Just be very careful because you don't want this splattering on you. So just go carefully. If you want to use your feet, you can step on it as well, but that's really disgusting. And then you can use your spatula to just mix it all in. So you just want to keep stirring it until it starts to thicken and the liquid starts to reduce in the pan. So you can see right here how it's a bit darker and it's starting to bubble. So you just want to keep stirring it. And you're just going to do this every 2 to 5 minutes, just constant stirring, mixing it and checking for it to become a nice texture. And remember, you don't want your pan to be too hot because it is going to burn. So take your time with this part, and while you're there just stirring endlessly, you can subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video, or leave a comment if you have any questions. That would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, it's been around 40 minutes now, and you can really start to see how much the liquid has reduced and how much thicker the jam is becoming. You can also see when I take the spatula and drag it through the center of the jam will part slowly and take a bit longer to come back together. And you can really start to see now the jam is practically done. It's parting very slowly. So now we can just turn off the heat and get ready to pour it in our clean mason jars. And then make sure once you finish pouring all the jam in the jars to let it cool completely with the lids off. So you don't want to put these lids on while it's hot. So just let it cool off completely until it reaches room temperature. And after that, you can seal it up and refrigerate. This jam keeps for around 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. However, it never lasts that long in my house. You could freeze it for up to 3 months if you choose to, but again, this stuff goes pretty fast with some nice artisan bread, which I also have a video on my channel, so feel free to check that out. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.